Hey everybody, Alan Schaefer at Custom Garden Solutions. Today we have a field trip for you. We were on our way to a customer compost delivery and I decided to jump out of the dump truck and do a quick episode just for you. So I'm here at the location where we manufacture or make our compost. And the compost is made of food scraps and wood from trees and branches and leaves, and they're ground down into fine particles and they're mixed together and they're put in what they call windrows, and they're about, I don't know, 10 feet by 14 feet wide, and then regularly the windrows are turned, aerated, and watered if needed. So 45 to 60 days later we have finished compost. So you want to look for a couple things when you're getting compost to grow herbs and vegetables. You want it rich in nutrients, and the nutrients are going to come from the breakdown or the composting of the food scraps, tree leaves and bark and wood, right? And if it's done properly and you get fully composted compost, it's nutrient rich, it's going to make your plants thrive. So what is finished compost? Finished compost means that it's finished the composting process. So it's totally finished compost. It's not cooking. When it's delivered to your site, you can grow in it right away. So the compost should smell like organic matter. It just smells good. It smells like earth. Oh man. And it should not smell like garbage, like ammonia. That means it's probably not composted yet. And it certainly shouldn't smell like, you know, like poo. So it should just smell like organic matter, and it should just smell like earth, and it should smell good. And it also should be very loose and light. All right? It's going to be lighter than dirt. And when you put it in your raised bed or other types of gardens, it's probably going to compact down about 20% in the first couple months. So if you're looking to get some compost, you might want to get a little extra so that you can layer it on the top. Let's take a closer look. So as you can see, it's very loose. All right, and all the wood from the trees and the branches and the leaves and the bark and the food scraps are fully composted. I've got to get back to work. I just wanted to do this quick episode for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Alan Schaefer, Custom Garden Solutions. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn all about growing herbs and vegetables and all kinds of cool garden stuff, start today by subscribing. Hit the little subscription bell. It's free, and you can always unsubscribe. And after you do that, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything, because you never know where I'm going to show up next. And now, our favorite, the pepper.